Hi everybody, Scratch Guy here, and I bought, let's see, I bought 4 pokers. I'm not going to pretend to know how to play, okay? And I also bought a crossword puzzle, or crossword deluxe. It's a $10 one, the pokers are $3. I started scratching this out and I just got a little tired, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan to see if I won anything. That's the scanner there. And that's what I'm going to do with these, because I swore I was not going to scratch these, just try to figure out if I won. If I can scan them and it tells me if I win, then I'll be quite happy. Okay, so here's the one. Okay, so I'll start with a crossword, because I just finished playing with this one. So let's see where this is. Might take a little time. Hang on. Sometimes it doesn't work too well. All right. See that? Crossword. I won 40 bucks on that. That's nice. Okay, let's see what the other ones bring me. Okay, turn them sideways so you can see them. Not a winner on the first one. $6 on the second one. That's okay. Look at that. Six bucks, huh? Let's try that. $12. Nice. $12. So I'm up to 18. Okay, let's see what the last one says. Not a winner. Okay, so 2 losers and 2 winners. Nice. So I'm going to scratch these later to see where I won. Or actually, maybe I should do it now just so you guys can see. And then you can tell me which one I won on. Okay, what did we say on that? That's 100, so it wasn't that one. $500, no. Oh, I got 4 4s, so I guess that's the winner there. $6. Okay. Okay, so we know that's $6 there. The other one should be worth 12 bucks. That's 3. So 4 5s. Look at that. $3. Huh, okay. So 4 of a kind, I guess, wins. And the last one, oh, wait, you know what? I forgot to do something. Hang on. So 4 7s, so 10. 10 and 3, what? Okay, I'm not going to pretend I know what I'm doing here. Oh, so 6 and 6 they're off. Okay, that's 12. And this is 2 pair. So I guess that's where my 6 comes from. 3 and 3. Oh, okay. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe to my channel. That was quite fun. And hit the bell notification there, and you get notified when my new videos are up. And again, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll catch you next time. Keep on scratching.